Yo, what's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and today I got a BabyChiefDoIt preset for y'all. Highly requested on IG, so I got it for y'all. So basically, I'm gonna show y'all the preset first, then I'm gonna show y'all the ad libs, and then I'm gonna show y'all like a clip of me using the song. Or matter of fact, I'm gonna just do that right now. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Have your friend like it, have your mom like it, maybe even your grandma. But with further ado, I'm finna play a little snippet, and here y'all go.
Yeah, I be rockin' and cross, but I got me a Glock and this motherfucker came with a switch. I'm in this bitch, my twin, I'm wearing some rings, like come here and take me a pic. Like why would you wipe that bitch if you already know that that bitch was eating the dick? And you was trying to kiss that bitch, ain't that the same bitch that said soon I have my kids? This Glock the size of your motherfucking head. I hit his ass up and his ass fled. He's smart, he don't wanna be dead. Would've put his ass straight to bed. And you know we don't fuck with the feds. Last niggas can't speak on the dead. Bitch ass nigga was just playing crazy till we hit his ass with the lead. He tried to run, hit his ass in the leg. He tried to run, make a stupid ass dance. Last nigga need to go pick up his pants. I don't got ops, I just wanna get banned.
These be gay, be sucking they man. Got the jerk on my lap, give a fuck about the plan. Yo, bitch sucking the team, but you think that she love cause you got the code to the gram.
Alright. Y'all heard the snippet? By the way, let me know if it's hard or not. By me and ZK Black. But I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna show y'all the preset. Then I'm gonna show y'all the libs. Here y'all go. So yeah, that's the main preset. Now I'm finna go ahead and show y'all the libs. And I ain't gonna lie, if you want to make the lib sound better, you can add a little bit of auto-tune if you want to. So like, you can make your voice sound better. Or like, it depends what type of song you're making. Like the intro, the outro, or however y'all wanna do it. But there go the preset. Make sure y'all comment what other artists' preset y'all want. I probably got every artist y'all want. And without further ado, that's it for today's video. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.